Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Squire Lakes, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving assets over a distance of more than 50 miles is referred to as a long-distance relocation. We have a solid working relationship with the FMCSA, and we are capable of moving your valuables properly locally and long distance. In addition, we have insurance plans in place that cover any risk that may arise during and after the relocation. Our conscientious movers and drivers will transport your valuables to their destination and without damage or losing them in the process. Also, our services are reasonably priced, and we do not take advantage of our customers. A local relocation is far less expensive than a long-distance move in most cases. Our local costs are less expensive, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour for standard local relocation. Our hardworking and qualified movers will provide you with the most value for your money, and we also have extensive expertise in navigating congested areas, so you can be confident that we will relocate your assets on schedule. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Squire Lakes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.